Hey everyone, and welcome to Nashville. I traveled down to Music City a few months ago and spent 2 days seeing the sights. Nashville is a major hub for country music, which, to be honest, I'm not really a fan of, but it's easy to get into the swing of things with so many great venues around the city. I found that there was plenty of things to see and do when I was there, and I also discovered some great restaurants too. If you're ever looking for a cool place for a guys or girls trip, then I'd definitely recommend coming here. But after a great weekend, it was time to head to the airport for a flight home. Today I'll be flying to Newark with United. It took a while to check in because I had a basic economy ticket, which meant that someone from the airline needed to verify that I was only carrying a personal item. Someone helped me eventually though, and I was able to get on my way. Currently, 30 airlines serve Nashville International, and direct flights are offered to cities throughout North America and Europe. In keeping with Nashville's tradition as Music City, there's music memorabilia scattered throughout the airport, and a few of the restaurants even have live shows. Apparently this carpet is pretty popular too, and even has its own fan page on Instagram with about 28,000 followers, although it's slated to be replaced by a different design pretty soon. This airport is really cool. But as I was exploring, I received a text from United saying that my flight was delayed.
So we'd be clean and prepare the aircraft for departure. We do apologize for the delay.
But after about 20 minutes, the 737-900 that would be taking me up to Newark pulled into the gate. Which was good because a lot of my fellow passengers were starting to get a little anxious. Since I had a basic economy ticket, I was one of the last to board, and I found myself placed in the back of the plane in seat 34C. And when I got back here, I noticed that something was wrong. That high-pitched ringing sound isn't the background music, but some sort of alarm coming out of the rear lavatory. And despite their best efforts, the cabin crew wasn't able to stop it as the seats around me began to fill up. Eventually, they made an announcement letting everyone know that they could disembark and wait back in the terminal until the alarm was fixed, and a lot of passengers took them up on this.
If you would like to get off the aircraft at this time, you can. We are going to have maintenance.
And about 15 minutes later, a mechanic was able to stop the noise, and everyone came back on the plane.
Passengers back on board, and we'll get out of here. We get to cruise altitude, get you an accurate arrival time.
The late arrival of our aircraft, coupled with the issue with the alarm, delayed us by an hour, which isn't terrible, but I was glad once we got on our way. It was pretty cold this evening, so we needed to be de-iced before taking off. Eventually, we made it up into the air and began this little over 2-hour flight to Newark. United has been revamping the interiors on its narrow-body planes, adding more premium seats and new IFE systems, but this 737 still features an older cabin. But that doesn't mean that this cabin is all that bad. The legroom is okay, you can store a reasonable amount of stuff in the seat back pocket, and the tray table is large. I also found these seats to be pretty comfortable throughout the entire flight. This plane also has an IFE system that plays DirecTV, although it's not touchscreen and the remote is in the armrest. But there is Wi-Fi, and United lets you view their extensive portfolio of movies and TV shows on your personal device. They also let you use messaging apps like WhatsApp for free, so you can keep in touch with your friends while you're up in the air. To help pass the time, I ended up streaming a movie to my tablet, and I enjoyed a complimentary Sprite. This flight went by quickly, and despite the drama at the beginning, I still enjoyed it.
Into Newark, so please put away your carry-on items, including laptops and share items stowed up with you.
I thought the crew did a great job handling the noise issue. They were kind and courteous and did everything they could to work through an awkward situation and get us going as quickly as possible. That said, I hope I don't find myself in a situation like that again. Have you ever had any strange delays while traveling? Let me know below. And that'll do it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon.